We have breaking news to tell you about. Firefighters getting the upper hand tonight on a wildfire that forced evacuations in central Wisconsin. The Pallet Fire burned around 400 acres near the village of Coloma in Waushara County. Now, the DNR says it is now 99% contained. At least 3 structures were destroyed. The DNR has more than 30 fire engines and bulldozers on scene. They also used a plane to douse the flames from above. No report of anyone being hurt and no word on how it started. The DNR says that hot temperatures and dry conditions also helping that fire grow, Brian.
Yeah, absolutely. And breezy conditions today. Now, I went back in time here on the visible satellite. You just saw that big smoke plume. Now, check this out. This is between 4 and 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And there it is. You can see that giant plume of smoke here. That is very visible here on the satellite. Again, we're talking, west of Wautoma, just to the east of Coloma. Again, that fire burning, but it sounds like they're making some progress there. What also may help the situation tonight is some rain. We have some thunderstorms rumbling across central Wisconsin back into western Wisconsin. In fact, a severe thunderstorm warning now to the southeast of Wausau and Marathon County, also far western Shawano County under that severe thunderstorm warning. I think the bulk of this stuff is going to stay north of us or fizzle out, but we will keep an eye on these storms. There is a marginal risk for widespread severe weather across the northern half of the area for us today and tonight. The greater risk to the north of us. Again, we'll continue to keep an eye on those storms as they drop down. I think here in Milwaukee, we are going to stay dry tonight. But coming up, we're going to let you know who could get clipped with a few of those storms in our neck of the woods in just a few minutes.